How to beat procrastination using the Pomodoro Technique. Ever find yourself doom scrolling or re-watching that same YouTube intro while your assignment deadline creeps closer? You're not alone. Procrastination tricks all of us. Students, parents helping kids study, even seasoned professionals. But there's a simple, time-tested method that turns distraction into focus: the Pomodoro Technique. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to break tasks into bite-sized sprints, conquer overwhelm, and actually enjoy your work. What is procrastination, really? At its core, procrastination isn't about laziness. It's a mismatch between momentary emotions and long-term goals. We avoid tasks that feel hard or boring and seek out quick dopamine hits instead. Left unchecked, this pattern fuels guilt, stress, and late-night cram sessions. But if we can reframe work into short, manageable bursts, our brains reward us for progress rather than perfection. Introducing the Pomodoro Technique, created in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, who used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, the Pomodoro Technique splits work into 25-minute Pomodoros, followed by 5-minute breaks. After 4 cycles, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The magic happens because you're racing against a ticking clock, but only for a short while, so your mind stays engaged rather than fatigued. Step 1. Choose your task, grab a notebook, or open a fresh note on your phone. Write down one specific task. Finish math exercise 4.2 or outline biology lab report. Clarity here is key. If it's too vague, your focus will wander. Step 2. Set your timer for 25 minutes. You can use any timer, your phone's built-in app, a physical Pomodoro timer, or a browser extension. Hit start and commit. For the next 25 minutes, your only job is this task. Close social media tabs, silence notifications, and put your phone face down. Notice how simply setting a boundary primes your mind to work. Step 3. Work with full attention during a Pomodoro. Your goal isn't perfection, it's focus. If you find your mind wandering, gently bring it back to the task. Jot down distracting thoughts on a separate sheet. Don't act on them now, just record them to revisit later. This brain dump tactic prevents you from getting pulled away. Step 4. Celebrate the 5-minute break. When the timer rings, stop immediately. Stand up, stretch, grab a glass of water, or step outside for fresh air. Avoid diving into another screen. You want your eyes and mind to rest. These short pauses replenish mental energy and make the next sprint feel fresh. Step 5. Repeat 3 more times, then take a longer break after 4 Pomodoros. Reward yourself with 15 to 30 minutes of true downtime. Chat with a friend, enjoy a snack, or listen to a favorite song. This longer break resets your focus muscles and prevents burnout. Then dive back in for another round. Customize your Pomodoros. 25 minutes works for most, but feel free to adjust. If you're tackling a creative writing session, you might stretch to 40 minutes with 10-minute breaks. For quick chores like answering emails, 15-minute sprints can feel more motivating. The key is consistency. Whatever interval you choose, stick to it until it becomes a habit. Use tools that reinforce focus. There are countless Pomodoro apps, Tomato Timer, Focus To Do, Be Focused, that automate your intervals and track completed cycles. Or go old school with a simple kitchen timer. If you prefer analog, write a checkbox next to each Pomodoro on paper and physically tick it off. That act of marking progress triggers a hit of satisfaction in your brain. Handle interruptions gracefully. When distractions strike, a group chat pings, a question pops into your mind, apply the inform, negotiate, schedule rule. 1. Inform the interrupter. I'm in the middle of something right now. 2. Negotiate a quick pause. Can I call you back in 5 minutes? 3. Schedule a follow-up. Let's chat after my break at 10:30. This simple script protects your focus without burning bridges. Combine Pomodoro with task prioritization. Pair your technique with a priority matrix. Divide tasks into urgent, important, not urgent, etc. Tackle the top 2 urgent tasks in your first Pomodoros when energy is highest. By aligning your peak attention with high-impact work, you'll get more done in less time. Build momentum with accountability. Tell a friend or study partner about your plan. I'm doing 4 Pomodoros on chemistry now. Let's check in afterward. This small social cue ups your commitment. You can even work side by side virtually, sharing timers and progress. Use rewards to sustain motivation. Treat each completed Pomodoro like a miniature victory. After every 2 cycles, give yourself a small reward, a piece of dark chocolate, a quick stretch break with music, or a glance at your favorite meme. These little celebrations turn the process into something you look forward to. Reflect and adjust at the end of your day. Review how many Pomodoros you completed and what you accomplished. Celebrate your wins and note where you got stuck. Maybe you need longer breaks or more realistic task sizes. Use these insights to refine tomorrow's plan. Why Pomodoro works. By breaking work into finite, bite-sized intervals, you bypass the dread that comes with facing a huge task all at once. Your brain craves novelty and clear endpoints. Pomodoro delivers both. The ticking clock fuels urgency, the breaks restore energy, and the routine trains discipline over time. Your challenge. Start now right. After this video, pick one thing you've been putting off. Set a timer for 25 minutes and begin. When you finish, share your experience in the comments. How many Pomodoros did you get through? What surprised you most? And remember, beating procrastination isn't a one-and-done hack. It's a skill you build with each focused sprint. Embrace the rhythm of work and rest and watch how quickly your to-do list shrinks. Your most productive self is just 1 Pomodoro away. Go on, start your timer and let's get to work.